it's Jose's Life, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Sony WH1000XM. I'll unbox it. The package has the Sony WH1000XM3, a solid-looking case. It has hands-free calling, really fast charging. It has a battery life for 3 hours. It has two voice assistants, has a headphone cable, has an adapter for flights, and has a USB-C cable. Now I will open the box. I'm just gonna open it right now. This package, it looks pretty sturdy. It'll take me a while to open this. It has this plastic wrap all over this stuff. Let's get rid of this. Oh, there it is. Oh, the setup, we got download the app, and now we got power on the headphones and connect to the app. And this is a nice box. And here's the carrying case. Sorry, we got some instructions. Now let's see what's inside here. And this carrying case looks pretty solid. And inside the case, you have the USB-C cable, an adapter, and a Sony WH1000XM3 headphones. They look amazing. And now we're gonna look at the other stuff. Now we have this instruction pamphlet. Let's see what it is for. It's for, I don't know, connecting some stuff. And now we're gonna review this headset. Now we'll put these on. Whoa, this noise canceling technology is amazing. Whoa. Whoa. You get surround sound and everything. I can hear it. Whoa. These headphones are the best. For watching, please like, subscribe. Until next video, bye.